Ah! Ah! Hey, what's up, guys? Puck Tutorials here. Um, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a transparent of Rudolph Steiner's face. So, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to open a picture of Rudolph Steiner, with Photoshop. I'm running Photoshop 2019, but really any version of Photoshop will work. I'm running 2019. So, here's what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to get your photo of Rudolph Steiner, and then you're gonna want to go to Magic Eraser, and you want to go bang. And then you're gonna want oh fuck. Uh, okay, that didn't work. So, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to this little thing, and you're gonna want to get all this. Oh shit. Well, first of all, you're gonna want to make it bigger. Then you're gonna want to go get all this, so you get his. See, fuck. Now you're gonna want to make it subtract, so you can get his beautiful head. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna select. Oh wait, no, you're not gonna want to do that. Then you're gonna want to delete. Well, first, fuck. God. Fuck. First you're gonna wanna duplicate layer. And then, you're gonna wanna delete this. And then, get a normal eraser and, deselect, and, you go like, and you don't need any of this because this isn't Rudolph Steiner's beautiful face. So you can just get rid of it, really. Personally, what I like to do is I like to go do it by hand, because then I know that only Rudolph Steiner's beautiful body exists and not any of this shit. I don't trust computers to do it for me, so I like to do it all by myself. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna finish up here, and gonna get rid of his neck. Now you might think you don't want to get rid of the neck, but you do. You're gonna get rid of the ear. Gonna get rid of the hair. Gonna get rid of the hair. Do a couple passes over the hair so you don't accidentally delete too much of his face. So here we are. Now we have a transparent image of Rudolph Steiner's beautiful face. You're gonna want to save that image as a PNG, or else it won't be transparent. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna want to name it Steiner face nice as a PNG, or ping as we call it in the industry. Save it as a copy, so you have that other picture of Rudolph Steiner. And here you go. You save. I want a big file because I want it to be, high quality. And that's it. That's how you get Rudolph Steiner.